how to show parking sensor radar graphic on Mitsubishi Outlander. So first things first, if you would like to enable this feature, you need to know that those features are on the dashboard behind the steering wheel. Here you can navigate by using the left and right arrow, confirm options by pressing OK, and scroll up and down by using the OK button as a scroller. Alright, if you know the basics, you can go to your dashboard. As you can see right here, let me zoom you in. So now let's use the arrows to select here the settings. Press OK button to confirm it. Then let's use the second option, which is the driver assistance. Confirm it by pressing OK button again. Scroll down and here you should find the parking sensors, the last option. Let me press OK button one more time to confirm the parking sensors section. And here, if you scroll down, you should see the display. Right now I've got this enabled. So when this toggle switch is active, the system overlays a clean visual radar graphic on your digital instrument cluster or center backup camera screen. This animation visualizes your proximity using colored sonar waves, green, yellow, and red zones, making it easy to identify exactly which corner of your car is closest to an object. So I find this really useful, so let me leave it enabled. As you can see, this display feature, let me leave it enabled. But if you don't want to use this graphic, you can also leave it disabled. But as I said, let me turn on the display parking sensor feature. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.